Guys, welcome back to a new Animal Company video. Today we're gonna be doing a glitch. Yeah. Where are you? Yeah, we're gonna do glitchy.
Oh, wait, gotta grab one of my grapplers.
Bro, why are you so quiet? Bro, you're taking too long. Tick. I'm gonna get mad, bro.
Oh, wait, why do I have two lanterns?
He's doing that on purpose. Oops.
Why did I give you that?
Nah, I already had ammo. I had a full one, and then a non-full
No,
one.
why did I give you the RPG though?
I don't know, but that wasn't your RPG that you gave me. This one was already
wasn't it?
loaded.
I thought it was.
No, this one was already
No, I
loaded.
thought it was the one I gave you.
No.
All right, wait, what are we? Oh, I could kill you right now. I'm joking. I'm not going to. What are we gonna go do?
This one. Wait, no, I can't have this backpack. I can't have this one. Hold on, there's this two separate backpacks that I have. This one is for my main trying to lose things. This is my
For your safety.
that's for my safety.
Wait, Kimmel, there's two machines.
Yeah.
Does this one have the same stuff? Yes.
Bro, I got that drip.
You got the drip.
Come on, hurry up.
Hey, there's mine.
No, it's not. Not anymore, not if you can catch it.
I spent money on that, bro.
Catch it.
The only money I have left. I did actually catch it. I'm a suicide bot. I'm joking. Alright, wait, where are we going?
Oh my god. To lava.
Alright, wait, where's this glitch?
It's over here. I've done it. It's kind of risky.
know about
You have to have your grappler out. And no pickaxe. Oh.
Okay.
No pickaxe out, because that can mess you up. One wrong move, you fall off the map and you lose all your stuff. Oh, and Fiona's there.
I'm broken. I'm just.
I was about to kill someone. I can't believe you've done this.
Where'd you go? She's after.
Behind. She killed a chicken.
Oh, is the big one?
Over here. Bro, what have you done?
Sorry. Are you safe?
I can't believe you've done this. Now she's in there. She's
Oh,
stuck.
shoot.
Come on.
I'm in here.
Okay.
Just for my safety.
So, if you think just to jump off right here, you would fall into the abyss. So,
Oh. I'm stupid. I'll be back.
you lose all your stuff. Oh, I should have done that. He'll be right back, guys.
Okay. I don't know how I quit the game and didn't lose anything. But I'm glad I kept it all.
I told you it's very dangerous, and you didn't take it serious.
No, I thought that's what you had to do, because over here you have to do that and grapple onto the floor.
No, you can't do that. You can't do that.
I didn't know there was a barrier.
It's not even a barrier. It's just like you can't do it. It's not possible.
If you could do it, there would be a barrier. Because that's the thing you have to do. Oh! Gemma,
What?
is that the big one? Gimmo, you have that in my head. Ooh, he's the big one.
Okay.
Oh, we're on the bricks.
And then you gotta woo! Just swoop over. You gotta swoop over.
Oh, hell no. No. Come on. Wait, can you see me?
Yes.
Hear this? Really? What am I doing?
Oh, I broke it.
What?
I have to go back.
I see ratio.
Now I can't see you. I don't know how to officially do it, but this is the way I do it. You scared me. I thought you were gone. Come on.
Man, I'm dead. What do you
So, like-
have to do?
I think if I can...
Oh, I almost fell.
You can't see it from this water. So, like, around...
Let me back up.
As long as you can... Okay, you can see it from right here.
Oh,
So,
Do I
you
go
grab
down?
this. Yeah, you get onto this. This is solid block. You want to grab
that's where lava is?
and yeet yourself.
Is it actually safe?
It's safe.
a big one?
I don't have a light, so.
All of a sudden I hear loud music and scared the crap out of me.
Yeah, I know. It's really.
My flashlight!
And now we're here.
Wait, Gimmo, I need an emotional support cue.
No, Ash is mine.
Hey, Julie, what do you need a pull again? Monkey, monkey. Mommy, mommy. Prisoner, stop! Get in trouble, stop! Stop.
Focus, Crystal. I'm a marksman. Are you there?
Yeah,
I didn't know you died.
you died?
You did. You got quiet because we split up.
No, I didn't die.
Oh, great box. I want one back. It's for my safety. Oh, you scared the crap.
I've been here this entire time.
Come on, I got the big box. The box is big. The box is big. No, go away. Gimmo, my bag's heavy.
My bag's about to be full. I'm about to leave.
I'm better than you. This is the Thanos world, my friend. Come on, go home.
I'm trying to go home. Same.
Oh, whoa.
What the frick? I'm trying to save
I'm gonna
that.
open it.
No, I want
I'm
to
gonna
save
open
it.
it.
No, I'm trying to save it,
I'm
bro.
gonna open it.
You open it, you get.
I'm gonna open it.
You open it. My new name's Gizmo. I'm orange, and you're gay. Thank you, my friend.
What?
Never mind. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Well, I'm ending this video.